Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make dumplings, Pisang Susu style. The things you need for Pisang Susu's dumplings are 100 grams of minced beef, a handful of shrimps, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of salty soy sauce, any kind of cabbage, some ginger fresh, handful of parsley, 250 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Well, that's it. You need, of course, a dough, and that needs hot water, boiling hot water. In this case, 140 milliliters. Here's my flour. I'm gonna add the salt. You don't need yeast, it's just a plain and simple dough because this is the outside of your dumpling. So mix in the salt and now add the hot water, not everything at once. I use chopsticks because it's so hot you cannot touch it yet. So we're gonna mix it like this and then we're gonna knead it until it's a shiny dough. And dumpling dough needs hot water, boiling hot water in the dough because the outside, the skin of your dumpling will become tender. When you use cold water, then it's more tempura, it's more a crispy skin, like with pangsit goreng, for instance. For the filling, it's important to cut all your ingredients really fine because it's a tiny bite, a dumpling. And same goes for the cabbage and the parsley. So now we just have to mix it all. Now this is my dough. Resting for a while. Cut the sausage into about 8 to 9 pieces. Now this is the fun part because we're gonna roll and fold our beautiful dumplings. So I have this piece of dough I just cut. I'm gonna knead it just a little bit. Some cornstarch on my countertop. Now I'm gonna roll this into a circle and try to make it pretty thin. This looks okay. It's a little bit translucent, that's nice. And to make the shape perfect, I use this Chinese bowl to cut it. Nice. A nice dumpling sheet. This is about the amount for the filling. This looks nice already. Then we're gonna dip my finger in some water, not too much. And then we're gonna fold it to close. And you can make any kind of shape. You can do this. And then it looks like a nice parcel. That's nice. Or you can do it differently. This is my first batch of dumplings. I'm gonna make about 20 and now I'm gonna steam them for about 6 to 8 minutes on high heat. So these are my nice dumplings. I hope so. This is the 4 I just steamed. I mean, more is coming up, but this one has cooled down. So if you like to taste, then yes. I know if you like it. It's okay?
I like the inside.
Yeah? Yeah, it's pretty tasty,
it's a
right?
Good combination.
It's a good combination. That sounds cool. So these are Pisang Susu's easy dumplings. Easy to make at home.
Yes.
Okay, fun. Thank you so much. Selamat makan.
Bye-bye.